Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Institute Rank. In this video, we will be discussing about top 4 institutes for JEE preparations in your city, Visakhapatnam. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So at rank 1, we have Career Launcher Institute. The Career Launcher Institute is one of the pioneer entrance coaching center of the Asia, which is run by IIT IIM alumni team. This center changed the life of many students by showing them the right way to their career. It has 17 long years of experience and the institute is fully dedicated to provide quality education across various fields to all its students. The address of the institute includes 48326 lane between Sri Krishna Vidya Mandir and Public Library beside Day and Night Hospital. The email ID is wizak.cl@careerlauncher.com and the website is www.careerlauncher.com. Now, let us talk about the fee structure. So, the fees varies with the type of packages. The variation is generally from about Rs 7,000 plus to about Rs 17,000 plus. Down to our rank 2 institute, we have Akash Institute. It has 25 years of experience. With this experience, only this institute prepares students for all foundation level examinations. They impart meticulously designed quality coaching. The courses offered by the institute includes 2-year course, 1-year course, short-term course and repeater course. Okay, the address includes Dwarka Nagar, Medicherla Tar, G447 10/3 Diamond Park and the email ID is iitjee@aesl.in and the website includes www.akash.ac.in. Now let us talk about the fee structure of the institute. So basically when we talk about the course fees, it is important to mention that the fees varies according to different packages of the course. Like for the course of the 2-year, it varies from Rs 1,25,843 rupees to Rs 1,40,450 and for the remaining courses, it varies as Rs 62,922 rupees to 85,394 rupees. So, when we talk about the success rate, so the result and the success rate of Akash Institute Visakhapatnam is 73.29%. At rank 3, we have Narayana IIT Academy. So, it was established in 1979 and education is the single most tool that shapes mankind. This is a unique concept which was brought up by the Narayana Group of Educational Institutions. They had an intention and commitment. It was to provide result-oriented quality education all over the India. So, the courses offered here are Main cum Advanced JEE, Main JEE, NEET and the Foundation courses. The address of the Narayana Institute is 57 Old Veeraraju Theatre Compound, 53116 Narsimha Nagar. Their email ID is narayana_nrpm@yahoo.com and the website includes www.narayanagroup.com. Now let us talk about the fee structure. So the fee here varies from Rs 337 to Rs 13,483 according to the package. The last institute we will be discussing in this video for IIT JEE preparations in Visakhapatnam, which is also a rank 4 institute, is the IIT JEE. So, the IIT JEE institute is very popular institute in all over India for IIT JEE preparations, as this institute understands very well the needs of the students at different stages of their preparation and so they have been able to help them accordingly. Moreover, the result of the institute in 2013 is 2,879 students of IIT JEE in Andhra Pradesh have qualified for JEE Advanced 2013. The address of the institute includes 47 plot number 87 Dwarka Nagar opposite Nehru Bazaar. Their email ID is info@fitg.com and the website is www.fitg.com. Apart from all these institutes, I would like to mention about one more institute, which is the Hindu Zone Institute. So, if you wish to connect to the Hindu Zone, you can go to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a free counseling session, which in turn will help students who are basically in lot of confusion regarding which institute to select according to their course. So, the Hindu Zone will provide you a free counseling session, which will definitely be a great advantage for the students. So, you can check this institute as well. So, these were the top 4 institutes for JEE preparations in your city, Visakhapatnam. For more information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video.